Alright everybody, today we're going to unbox the Bugs 3 Pro. Yes indeedy. This is of course my second Bugs 3 Pro because my first one was a lemon head. Okay, it was a lemon head. Here's some stuff on the box here. 20 minutes flight time maximum. Yeah, okay. GPS, we know it has that. Camera, I don't know if there's a camera. I think there might be one in here. Now, when I sent this other one back because it was bad, they only made me return the body. So I have all the other spare parts. I have the transmitter, I have all the props, all the legs, the battery, everything. The only thing I had to return was the body. And I think that's because they wanted to see what was wrong with it, which they will never tell me because that'll go into their, their R&D or whatever the hell. It'll go back to the mad scientists, and they'll find out why, what went wrong in the manufacturing. So let's just crack it open and see what happens. Yeah, so I have a spare battery and all that other crap now. So I have tons of extra props so I could do a lot of crashing because I'll have all these extra props to crash with. Here is the booklet that has all the booklet stuff in it, the stickers and quick start guide and all that crapola. And there is the unit. And I see, yes, it has the camera. They sent me one that has the camera, even though the one I had did not have a camera. The one I had did not have a camera. I bought the cameraless one because I was going to put my GoPro Session 5 on it. That's what I was going to use on there. But I will now use this camera. I'll try it with this camera and then I'll put the GoPro Session 5 on there. Here's the motors. Here's the battery. Yeah, that's what mine didn't do. Okay. It's all your typical stuff. You got your charger, which is one of those, it's kind of hokey, I think. Yeah, you plug this into here. Then, let's see, how does it go? Yeah, this one into here. This one into here like this. And then there was some kind of other little adapter thing. Here's two sets of props. Here's the legs, which I will have to use to be able to use the camera. Here's the phone holder. Here's the prop tool and the complementary screwdriver. Here's the other part of the battery charger. And here is the wire to connect the camera. Yeah, this battery charger is a little weird. So you would plug the power supply into this here, and then I'll have to get out my adapter because I'm not in Europe. But I do have considerable amount of them, so I'll just dig one out of the archives. So this goes on here. Then the battery goes on there like that. That slides on there like that and goes in. And that's how that works. I'm interested to see how this camera looks. My guess is it's going to be crappy. Okay, it says 1080p, but I ain't buying that either. They got a little protective coating on there. And then they give you this cover. And there's the slot for the micro SD card. This camera is light. It's wow. I don't think I have my scale here. No, it's light. Believe me, this thing, few grams. Okay, it weighs like as much as a graham cracker. Okay. So there you go. That's where you would plug the little plug in here, like this, like so. And then you would put the mount on, and then the other end of the camera is going to go right here. And then this part here will go into the quadcopter, right here. That's how that's going to go. And then that'll mount underneath there somehow, some way. Like that. The mount will slide in here, because it's that basic MJX mount. That's what fits in there, because that's what I was going to use to hook up my Session 5. So that'll go on there, and the camera will mount right there like that. And it has this bar thing on there. I'm sure the video on this is not going to look any better than the video did from the Bugs 5 Pro. It's going to look the same, you know. So this is going to slide in, and then this is going to mount in there. You got this little screw here, and that you loosen that screw, and that's going to tip it down like that. And then that'll slide in there like that. And then that'll mount that camera in there like that. It'll be kind of front heavy, but the camera's so light that I don't think it's going to make any kind of effect on it. So, yeah, it's not real complicated. It's easy stuff. I mean, once you... Oh, there's the adapter right there. But once you put the Bugs 5 Pro together, this is basically the same thing. The transmitter looks the same as the Bugs 5. It's not the Bugs 5 Pro, it's the Bugs 5W. That's the one I have. There's the transmitter. And then here is the little spot where the phone thing will go. There's a plug in there. And then the phone holder, which is right here, will go down in there. And then it has like this little ball on there, right here. See, I had doubles of all this stuff now, okay? Because of the other one, I didn't have to send that back. And it'll hold a pretty big device. And that thing will go down there, and then the little joint goes on there. It just snaps in there like that. So that's how that works out. Transmitter's real nice. The transmitter's real nice on the Bugs 5. So same as it works the same way as on here. You got your GPS on and off right here. You can override the GPS and just use the altitude hold mode. You got your headless mode here. To take off and land, unlock the motors, return to home, and photo, video. This wheel doesn't move because I guess that's for some, if one had a gimbal on it, which this don't. This L1 and L2 buttons are locked out. They're dummies, so they were probably for some other thing too. So, but yeah, looks good, man. I think it's a sharp looking quad, man. We'll see. I'll go watch Cuppy's video again, okay, before I take off. I'll go just give it one more quick once over. But yeah, I think it'll be okay. Yeah, looks good, guys. Looks good. Alright guys, I'll get it all put together and charged up and we'll get it flying. Maybe we'll do a little comparison with the Bugs 5, which I really do like the Bugs 5W. I really like it. Even though I've only flown it 3 times. I really like it. Like I said, it's just a better Bugs 2. Okay. And, you know, the camera's a little bit better on the Bugs 2, and I think it handles just a little bit better. And the range is better. So, alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Have a